The drain valve for the lower cylinder. The voltage is 380 volts. After the vacuum pump is connected, test the forward and reverse rotation. Rotation direction as arrow. If not correct, swap the two live wires. Add powder and water in proportion and start stirring. Start vacuuming and remove the air from the gypsum slurry while stirring. The vacuum valve of the mixing tank is open. After mixing is completed, open the lower cylinder to exhaust air. Once the vacuum is reached, start feeding gypsum slurry into the flask. Open the upper and lower cylinder connection valves. After pouring, rotate the turntable to pour the next. The vacuum should be kept on to continuously evacuate the bubbles. Until there are no bubbles on the surface. Put the flask aside to dry and wait for the burning. Clean up the remaining gypsum powder in time after mixing. After each use, you need to clean it with the provided water gun.